With Home and Away voicemail, you can make sure you never miss an important message again, and setup is easy. First, you'll need to activate your voicemail. Dial *98 from your home phone. Enter your temporary password. This is the last 4 digits of your home phone number. Press pound and follow the prompts to set up your new password and voicemail greeting. That's it. You're all set. Now that you're activated, you'll hear a stuttering dial tone on your home phone when someone leaves you a message. Some phones also display a message waiting indicator light. To listen to your voicemail, dial *98 from your home phone. Enter your password to log in. New messages will play automatically, and you can press 4 to listen to the message again. Press 7 to delete the message, or press 9 to save the message. You can also check your home phone voicemail online, through email, or by text. Thanks for watching.